This is B. Nagaraju, lecturer in botany from Government Degree College, Kurutla. So, my topic name is Heterospory in pteridophyte. So, these are the my topic contents. So, first one is the introduction and heterospory and seed habit. So, now see the introduction of seed habit or heterospory. So, this is the heterospory is considered to be a prerequisite to seed formation. In addition to heterospory, the seed plants show the following characteristics that have led to the formation of the seed. So this is the introduction of heterospory. What is means of heterospory? Heterospory is considered to be a prerequisite to seed formation. In addition to heterospory, the seed plants show the following characteristics that have led to the formation of the formation of the seed. So now see the heterospory. The sporangia shows greater specialization than those of the fern. So there are the different. There are differentiated into micro and megasporangia. The megasporangia possess the microsporangia, and various megasporangia contains megaspores in them, and each megasporangium contains a large number of microspores. Each megasporangium possesses usually only 4 megaspores. The condition of the production of two kinds of dissimilar spores and differing in shape and size in the same species is termed heterospory. So this is the clear diagram to understand the heterospory. So these are the same. In that sporangia we see the all our spores are same size and shape, so it is called as homosporas. In that sporangia formed these the microspores and these are the megaspores, so it is called two different type of spores are formed in that and the different sporangia, so it is called as heterospory. So reducing to one's megaspore and endospory. So this is the megaspore and the sporangia enveloped by the integuments. So this is the female gametophyte, nucellus and integuments. So these are probable steps of seed evolution. So now see the pine cones. So this is the pine cone. So when one kind of spores are present, so this is the equisetum and ferns, the condition is called as heterospory. Hetero means different. So in that sporangia, different size and different shapes of spores are formed. So one is the microspore, second one is the megaspore. So they are called as the two types of spores are formed in single sporangia, or different types sporangia is called as heterospory. But in one sporangia, in single sporangia, only one type of spore formed, it is called as homospory. According to the modern pteridologist, the heterospory is found in 7 genera. So like Selaginella, Isoetes, Marsilia, Salvinia, Azolla, and Reginillidium and Pullularia. So there is these pteridophyte genera have the and shows the heterospory condition. Here one thing can be noticed that the microspores development of female gametophyte, which may also be called as microgametophytes and megagametophytes. In the case of homospory, the sex can be differentiated only at the gametophyte stage, but Here the sex may be differentiated even at the sporophytic stage by the presence of small and large sized microspores which form anthrazoids antherozoids and eggs respectively. So the differentiation of microspores and megaspores and their depends upon the sporophyte has same advantages. So now see the seed habit. So the condition of heterospory in Selaginellas constitute one of the very important phases in the evolution of the plant. The certain species of the Selaginella only one megaspore develops within the megasporangium. So the highest evolved species, so that is Selaginella apoda, has advanced almost up to the rank of a seed plant. So here the megaspore remains within the sporangium. It itself fertilizes fertilizes and such way for the first time the gametophyte of the Selaginella show complete dependence of the gametophyte upon the sporophyte is in the angiosperms. The biological importance of the heterospory. So the phenomena of heterospory is of a great biological advantage due to the fact that a large megaspore which contains female gametophyte derives its food, the sporophyte, and is independent of the external condition as might it interself with the growth of a free living gametophyte. So now see the brief the origin of the seed habit is associated with the following important uh, prerequisites, and first one is the production of the two types of spores and the homospores heterospores and the retention and germination of the fertilization of the egg and embryo formation, and which is still within the germinating the megaspore and the development of one megaspore per megasporangium. So these are uh, the origin of seed habit is associated with the important prerequisites. So thank you for watching this video.